to another edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee. And in this episode, we are going to be making some chive butter. Yeah. I have some chives that I grew in my garden. And the only ingredients we're going to need is some chives. We're going to make some butter that we already made. And this is the second part of the first video of me making my butter and us making that fantastic tarragon butter. Remember that? And I said if I had enough time that I would come back and we would do another butter. Well, child, today is the day that we are going to make that second butter, and that's going to be the chives butter. So you're going to need, like I said, some chives. You're going to need some real garlic, but I did the real garlic in the tarragon butter. So this time I am going to use some garlic powder, and then we're going to use some more black pepper, baby. Yep, we're going to make some black pepper. We're going to sprinkle some of that into our chives butter, and we are going to make some fantastic compound butter. And then at the end of this video, I am going to use some of this butter, this chives butter, on a baked potato for tonight's dinner. Isn't that sound delicious? I cannot wait to try some of this butter on a piping hot baked potato. You hear me? A baked potato with the butter just melting and just slathered all over that potato. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. So without further ado, let's get this butter made so I can have a taste test of this chives butter on my baked potato. Are you with me? Are you on this butter train? Let me know, because I want to encourage you like I encourage you on all of my videos when I'm cooking in the kitchen, trying new dishes, seasonings, butters, whatever I'm doing. You know, your girl is always wanting you to come on the ride with me. Jump on this train and let's get these things done, stocked up in our pantries. So, what do I always say? So, we do not have to go to the grocery store. Hallelujah. Can somebody give me an amen in the comments? Give me some prayer hands to let you know we are not trying to spend all that money in them grocery stores when we can make these things ourselves. All right, let's get this butter rolling. Woohoo! Come on, chives butter. Okay, so this is the second part of that butter that I made. So it's nice and soft. It's not too hard, but it's soft enough to where I can put some ingredients inside of it. So we are going to, because I love chives, so I'm gonna dump all those chives into this bowl. Get them all out of there. We don't want to waste anything. Okay. Then we're going to add some black pepper. I like that coarse black pepper. Okay. Now I like garlic too, so I'm going to put a lot of this garlic powder that I made. And I still use the original containers. And that way I don't have to spend money on going out and buying a container. Whew, that garlic smells good. All right, let's get it all mixed up, incorporated in there. I'm going to use my other spatula. Hold up. We don't want to waste any of this butter. Not one bit. Hold it like this so you guys can see me mixing it all together. And then we're going to taste it. And we're going to see how we like it. Do we need to add any more pepper? Any more garlic? I know we don't have to add no more chives because I added at least almost a cup of chives in here. And then I'm going to take that one tarragon mold that I put in the refrigerator. And I haven't taken it out of the mold yet because I'm going to let it stay another 24 hours when I put the chive butter in there with it. So let me show you what this chive butter looks like. Look at that. See all them chives and all that garlic and that pepper? Woo, chow. Looks good, looks good. Okay, now let's taste it. Seeds get a chive, so we'll know what it tastes like. I think we need some more black pepper. More black pepper. Alright, mix this in here. Looks good though. I love that I can make my own butter and I can cater it to my taste buds in whatever dish that I'm going to be serving, which is perfect. All right, let's give it another taste test. Maybe a little bit more garlic because I love garlic. Stir it up. Then I'm gonna take some of this butter and put it in this little dish right here, this ramekin, so I can have that with my baked potato that I'm gonna be making. All right, so let me get some of that so we can put that in this ramekin. It's gonna be the butter for my baked potato. Look at that. Get in there. You staying. Staying. Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at it. It's going to be the butter for my baked potato. Let me get a little bit more. Get some chives. Okay, we're going to sit that to the side. All right, let me get my mold out of the refrigerator. And this is the mold, the butter mold that I had my tarragon butter. Let's look at it. Look at it. Tarragon butter is nice and hard and stiff. But look, it looking good, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to add our chive butter into the next section. Tarragon and chive butter looks the same because they both have those green bits in it. One has the tarragon and one has the bits of the chives. Gotta push it down so we don't have no bubbles. Looks good. Looks good, looks good. Okay, now we're gonna fill up the other side. Look at that. That looks so good with all those chives in there. I can't wait till I do the vanilla bean cinnamon butter. That's gonna be perfect on like my pancakes, my waffles, anything you want that little cinnamon vanilla bean flavor to. Perfect, perfect, perfect. told you, one carton makes four, well, yeah, you can make 4 sticks of this butter. But just one of those, one carton of that heavy whipping cream, which I just love. Because I paid like I think it was $5.94 at Walmart. Next time I'll go, if I'm in there, I'll film it so you guys can see exactly how much I'm talking about and what the price of it will be. Get this chive butter in there. I'll make a little mark on here so I'll know that that section is the tarragon and the other section is my chives. And this little spatula is the best. It gets it down in them crevices and you can push it and it'll smooth it on out. Alright, let's get this other one side done. Push it down. Alright, you guys, so we've made tarragon butter. This is tarragon. And now we're working on the chives. And I'll show you in a minute what it's looking like. And then I'm going to get my dinner together. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to have a taste test with my baked potato and this chive butter. For sure, for sure. Love it. Looks good. Alright. Looks good, you guys. I could play and smooth this and all that all day long. All day long. But it's just amazing how you can go to different grocery stores and you can see how much their heavy whipping cream is. Because when I went to the commissary, that's like a military grocery store on base, and theirs was almost like $7, almost $8. I was like, what? I can't believe that. So I was like, nope. Alright, so tarragon butter on this side, that's hard as a rock. You hear it? That's tarragon. And this side is chives. And that's what they look like together. You can see how the tarragon on this side is hard, because you can see by looking at it that how it's solidified and it's hard as a rock. And this one has a more shiny, glossy texture to it, and that means it's fresh. So I'm going to put this in the freezer, and then I'm going to make my dinner, and I will be right back with you. Woohoo! It'll be time to try some of this fantastic chive butter. All right, now let's get ready for our taste test. Guys, so it has arrived. Here is my baked potato. I have some broccoli, I have some corn, and I have some chicken. So let's put our chive butter on our baked potato. Here's our chive butter. Let's slather it all in there. I don't know about you, but I love a baked potato that has lots of butter in there. Ooh, looks so good. Let's get it all in there. You know I'm going to use some of this chive butter on my broccoli too. It was a good thing I had extra. That corn do it on there. Corn, you are not welcome. This is our chive butter moment. Ooh, it is getting all nice and creamy. And it's all hot. Woo-hoo. I can't wait to try this, you guys. It's so good. The baked potato is just falling apart. Put some more. I want some up here on the top. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of what this looks like before we dip into it. Have our beautiful, beautiful taste test. All right, let me give you an up-close look. Guys, so this is what our butter looks like. Look at in the inside. Look how it's all melty. Looks all good. Woo, chow. I cannot wait to eat this. And then I have my corn, and I have my broccoli, and then I have my chicken, and the star attraction is this delicious baked potato. All right, let's get this taste test going. Woohoo! Are you ready? Woohoo! I know I am. All right, here we go. Baked potato. Put some of that chive on it. Here we go. Here's your piece. Go ahead and try it. Delicious? Mm-hmm. My turn. Mm. Look at that. Tell me that's not so good. Oh my gosh, I gotta have some more. Mm. Chive, that garlic, that pepper. This is a staple in my house. If you haven't tried this, I recommend that you try this. It's so easy. Only have thing, but the heavy whipping cream, garlic, fresh garlic or garlic powder, black pepper, and your chives. That's all you need to make fantastic chive butter. Come on, it's a compound butter. And we all know we love it when we can enhance the food that we love to eat. All right, you guys. Well, I am going to end it here because your girl wants to go and eat her dinner. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give your girl a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when Miss Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure has another video coming your way. All right, love you all, but your girl want to get down with the get down. If you know what I'm talking about, look at that. Mm, mm, mm. Beautiful. All right, guys, talk to you later. Try this butter, this chive butter, tarragon butter. Try those butters.